Welcome, Moto Nation, to another exciting video. Man1 here today on location at Oceanfront Park, Boynton Beach, Florida. So, Oceanfront Park, it's a beach located in Boynton Beach, Florida. Actually in the town of Ocean Ridge, which is just outside of Boynton Beach. And check this out, yeah, beautiful. Look how beautiful. This is my first time here, and man, ooh, look how shiny and sparkly that water is. Ladies and gentlemen, let's go catch some waves. I do like coming to the beach. I'm not a big swimmer. I do hang out in the pool from time to time, but I'm not really good at swimming, but I do love being by the water. It's so peaceful. Man, walking on sand when it's super hot, man, it's a workout for sure. Check out these clouds right here. Temperature 88 degrees, humidity 74%. And it's just past 10:15 a.m. on this second week or first full week of September, just after Labor Day weekend of 2022. Boynton Beach area in a town, I think it's called Ocean Ridge, just off Ocean Avenue, located on A1A, right between the ocean and the intercoastal. This is a really nice beach. First time here, man. Very beautiful. You got this little hill that you go over, and the view from the boardwalk to get off to the beach is really nice, man. A really beautiful spot. The waves, you know, the water is pretty calm out there today. Just a beautiful Tuesday morning. Hey, thank you for stopping by. My name is Manny for Manny Motor World.